I've got $20,000 in Moomoo Exchange. Come to find out, I can't transfer my crypto off the platform. Any way I can go around it or protect future earnings that'll benefit from tax savings? I know a lot of people are talking about trusts, LLCs. Thank you for the question and for trusting me to help. I'll answer the second part first. You do not need a trust or an LLC to buy and own crypto. Yes, if you are a high net worth individual or somebody whose financial picture is complicated, a trust can help you defer taxes, but as an individual, there are plenty of savings tax rules that you can take advantage of to minimize your tax burden and mostly keep it simple. Where I see most people lose money in crypto is they complicate things. They make it too difficult for themselves to follow the plan. So for all intents and purposes, unless you are already a bajillionaire, trillionaire with a bunch of businesses and stuff, then you really don't need a trust. You don't need an LLC. Just keep it simple. And yes, you do have to pay taxes on your crypto. They're like any other investment. If you sell it at a profit, you pay a capital gains tax. Conversely, if you sell it for a loss, you can take a write-off. Not something to worry about. We'll talk about it in another video. Let's talk about the more pressing issue, which is how to get your assets off that crypto exchange. Moomoo was new to me, and that should not make you less confident in my ability to help you. It should reflect to you that even someone like me, who's been here a long time, is overwhelmed and cannot keep up with all the different products and services, all the different crypto companies that want a piece of your money. There's a new one every day all the time, and they're not all created equally. Moomoo is a legitimate exchange, but it's a broker. Meaning what you get on their platform is more like exposure to crypto's price action. They give you a username and a password, an account, and they are the custodian of your crypto. They own whatever you buy on that platform. Kind of the way your bank technically owns your money. You just have a right to it. If your bank is closed or they go out of business, you might have a hard time getting that money back because it's not directly in your possession. That's how Moomoo works. They're safe, they're regulated, they follow the laws, and your money is probably secure there, but it comes with a couple of drawbacks, and one of those drawbacks is you cannot withdraw or send your crypto off their platform. You can still buy and sell crypto assets, and if that's all you want to do is like invest in crypto, Moomoo or other brokers, Robinhood, etc., might be fine for you. But if you want to custody it yourself, to own it directly and do other stuff with it, then you are going to need to move it off their platform. And the way to do that is to sell your crypto assets for cash. You'll see that it turns from Bitcoin or whatever into a balance in your account, and then to withdraw it to your connected bank. Open an account on a more crypto native exchange like Coinbase or Kraken or Binance, and they will